Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. What possibly could this light be shining on? Well, it's almost a bit of a revelation, isn't it? Because the smart car engine is on its way back into the car. Yes, what a mammoth update that is. After all this, after a full rebuild and after a full stripped down repair of nearly everything on this engine, including the gearbox, it's going back in the car, and quite an intriguing way that we're doing it. Dad has put some threaded bar into the engine mount holes through the engine mounts, and then the way we're doing it is by jacking it up and then tightening these threaded bars through the mounts, so the engine slowly but surely comes back into position. And if everything works okay, then it's going to end up in the right sort of place very soon. So all the electrics, the wiring harness has been tidied up a little bit. There were some nicks and bits and pieces. Dad's tidied that up. Everything's been connected up as far as we can connect up there. Alternator belt has now been fitted. In here, the alternator is back on. Secondary air pump is on. The engine has been compression tested. We've got compression in all three cylinders, which is good news. And it's been spun over, and we've got oil pressure as well. So the engine, at the moment, it seems to be working as it should. Obviously, time will tell when we get to a stage where we can fire it up. And obviously, as soon as we get to that stage, you will be the first to know. We're at the point now of getting some hoses connected onto the back of the engine. And the way that we're going to be doing that is through the top here. You can see it better from the top. And you can see the engine now is starting to look like it's nearing its final position. We've got the airbox there. But at the moment, we are at a stage where the engine is being slowly but surely lifted into place using these threaded bars. And that was just the update then in regards to the engine. When it's on the way in or when it's back in, we will update you. Lots to do yet, but at the moment, we are getting to a stage where things are looking promising, aren't they? If you are new to the channel, please give us a like and subscribe. It really does help. You can leave a comment if you want. Also, check out the other videos if you haven't already. And if you're not on Twitter, Facebook, Instagrams, or the TikToks following me yet, please do. It's at John Coupland, all one word. But big update coming soon, and the big update, I suppose, next will be that the engine is back in the car. And maybe, just maybe, we'll be firing it up. Till next time, take care, bye-bye.